Welcome back to Normal Prepping. Today, I'm going to talk to you about my backpack get out bag. I want to let you know why I chose this bag and also how I pack it. So let me get started. And the reason why I have this is because when we had to evacuate and leave our home, I didn't have anything packed. You know, and we were gonna, we just left in a hurry. So this is why I'm doing this, because now I have this bag in my closet ready to go. So in an instant, I just go in there. I know I have clothes, I have toiletries, I have shoes I can wear, and I even have a sweatshirt to keep me warm. So let's go through this bag. Really nice thick straps. Look at these. Very nice adjustable straps. And they have a hook here to hold everything. Even though it is a backpack, if you get tired, your shoulders, they hurt on your shoulders because you're walking for a long time. It has this pull-out stick. So if you're walking along the road, all you have to do is pull this out and you can drag it behind you because it does have wheels. Just a neat little feature. There is this carrying bag, easy to lift. This handle is also very thick. It has a water bottle holder, which I have right here. It has these two awesome straps to hold everything closed, so you don't have to worry about anything opening up while you're walking or dragging it behind you. So let's go through a couple other compartments. Here, I have things that I need to grab really quick. Here are some wipes. And a first aid kit. So if anything were to happen, I want it to be accessible right in front so I can use it quickly. All right, let me get these back in here. Fits so nice. And this, don't have anything in this at the moment, but look at this. Your laptop will easily fit in here. And you know, and that's something you will put in, not leave it in your closet, but you know, when you're ready to leave and you have to leave, you have all this available to put your equipment in there that you can grab really quick before you run out the door. And there's also a lock and a key. Just in case it's not next to you, you can secure it and keep this key in your pocket. It has all these compartments. But before you leave, grab all your computer cords, put those in there. Very roomy. Here is a pocket for maybe like a notepad. And here's a pocket for a pen. Pencil, pen, whatever you need. There you go. I leave that empty so when I do have to leave and I do need to grab my laptop, I know I have room for it. Okay, what we're going to do next is turn it around. I'm going to undo these straps. And I'm going to open up the middle for you this way. Okay, and stuff in here that I have in here are items that I was going to take to Goodwill, but are still in really good condition. So it's not like something I wear on a normal basis. I have it in here to use as an emergency, so I can still have clothing, everything I need. And just in case I have to leave my home, but I still have to go to work, I just have a couple of work clothes in here, a couple slacks, a couple blouses that I can use for work and I can wash. You know, wherever I'm staying, I could just throw them in the wash and have those to wear. Here is a little toiletry bag. And one thing I did want to show you is I have these laundry detergent sheets. So if these are the only clothes I have, what I do is I'll put my clothes in the sink or in the bathtub, put in one of these little soap sheets, and I can wash my laundry every night or every couple of nights, whatever I need. These are really, really handy to have in any type of bug out bag you have. Okay, I'll put that back here, and I'll let you know I have my toothpaste, soap, hair bands, whatever I need. In here, this bag comes with the backpack. Here I have, for instance, my shoes. I have some slip-on shoes that I love to wear with socks in them. I have a couple pairs of socks, so I have more than one pair in each shoe. Another handy thing I have way back in here is, it must be in my other shoe, but I will show you. And it's hidden. It's a bag of money. Just in case I need some cash and maybe I can't get to an ATM and I need to buy something at the store. I always have a little bit of cash on me hidden away in my backpack so I can use for emergencies. When I'm bugging out, of course. Not just to go and buy something new. Okay. And I also have a pair of sandals and I also have a pair of work shoes just because I still might need to go to work. Okay, and then I'm going to show you what I have up in here. Here is another handy dandy bag with a little carrying case that comes with this backpack. And here I have all my unmentionables. Easy to find. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I pack the rest of my items. I don't know if you could see it, but on here, this side, I rolled up all my t-shirts, tank tops, and I have a blouse to wear also. Here, I have all my leggings and a pair of shorts to relax in. And they are all laying on top of a sweatshirt. Because you know when you fold a sweatshirt, it's really bulky. So what I did, I just filled it in. I laid it down. I fold the arm like this. I fold the arm like this. There we go. Then all my items will fit comfortably back on here, nice and secure. And I think that is about everything in this backpack. I love this backpack. Oh yes, one very important thing I almost forgot. I don't know how I could have did that. See this little thing here? You can use your phone cord and plug it in, or computer cord, for charging, because in here there's a compartment. I don't know if you can see it. Turn this around for you. If you see, there's a compartment for your battery charger. It sits in there. You plug it in here. It comes with this cord. So you plug it in your battery charger. You leave it in here at all times. And when you need to charge your phone, your computer, your laptop, you put that cord in here without having to fumble to pull out your cord and everything else, and it automatically charges it for you. That is awesome. So, all in all, I really do think this is an awesome bug out bag. I mean, it serves its purpose. It's easy to pick up and grab. I have my water source. I have little juice packets I have with my coffee, so I can add to my water because I like flavored water. And we have this in our link, so if you like to look at it, you go ahead into our link, and it comes in several different colors too. I'm also thinking I'm going to get myself one just for traveling, and my husband's going to get himself one. So, we each have one of these in the closet, ready to go for when we need to bug out with our emergency clothes. Like I said, clothes that we just don't wear as often as we used to, but are in still good condition. Hey, before you give them to Goodwill, get a couple outfits out, put them in your bag, and you have clothing to wear in an emergency. So I really hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope I can answer them for you. And thank you for watching Normal Prepping.